Hi, I'm Xico. I'm a designer and stylist, and today I'm going to share with you top tips for designing the perfect gallery wall. Number 1, collect. Collect all your art around your house. Think of different mediums. Try and mix photography, painting, textiles, and then start to think outside the box. The shadow box is an important part of a gallery wall. It's a great way to display souvenirs or found objects. I went to Value Village and picked up some shells and this super cool vintage plate, which I'll just hot glue into place. And it's ready to hang. Number 2, choose an anchor piece. Choose a piece that's going to act as your focal point. It should be large and graphically significant. This is the piece that your eye is going to go to as soon as you look at the wall. It's always hung in the middle and around eye level. In this case, I sort of saw I had a beach kind of surfer vibe going, and I decided to go with good vibes. Number 3, plan it out. Map out the dimensions of your wall on the floor and start laying out your pieces. Swap the configuration and swap the pieces as you go, and each time snap a little photo. Then go back through your photos and decide which one's most appealing to you. Number 4, keep it cohesive. I like to use a white wall with light wood or white frames. This really activates the art and gives it a sense of calm to the entire display. It can get really busy if you use a lot of different color frames. I found this great watercolor at Value Village, but the red frame is pretty 90s, so I thought of swapping it out for a white frame. I also like the whole wall to feel like one canvas. How I do that is I pick one color and repeat it throughout. I even painted this panel aqua to tie it all together. Number 5, raise the roof. Use the entire wall. Think about going from floor to ceiling and wall to wall. What this does is make the room feel much bigger. What I do is I keep a consistent line along the ceiling, floor, and wall, keeping the same border, and then I don't really worry about the spacing in the middle. This makes it much, much easier to hang your art.